G'day everyone, it's Justin and Matt. Two dads again from BRRRRM Australia. We're coming to you today from a North Shore BMW M-car drive day. So we're actually cruising north of Sydney in a great selection of BMW M-cars. M3, M2, M5, the i8. We're actually in the M6 at the moment, so we're looking forward to a great day. And we'll just bring you a bit of video highlights of some of the drives. See you soon.
What do you think of the day so far?
Top notch. Absolutely top notch.
Matt, you've had a couple of minutes in the M2 now. What are your thoughts?
I want it. This is the one. The steering dynamics, everything. It's unbelievable. This is, no wonder they rave on about it, all the journalists around the world. It is the business. It's the real deal. You should get one. Everyone should get one. Stirred something up inside. Shame on you, Justin. I love it. This is the car to have. It ticks all the boxes: convenience, driving experience, power, delivery, gearbox, steering, everything. It's perfect.